Selling on Amazon is a big opportunity, but it is also very competitive. Many new sellers fail not because their product is bad, but because they don't use the right data and tools. Successful Amazon entrepreneurs don't guess. They use smart software to make the decisions. One of the most popular tools they use is the Helium10. In this video, I will explain in a very simple way how Amazon entrepreneurs use Helium10 to grow their business step by step. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explain tools in very easy way. If you want to grow online without any confusion, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use that link, any special offer or trial for Helium10 that will be applied automatically. Now let's move to the main part of the video and see how Amazon entrepreneurs use Helium10 for their growth of their business. The first way entrepreneurs use Helium10 is for product research. Before selling anything, they want to know if people are actually buying that product. Helium10 helps them to find the product with the good demand and manageable competition. Tools like Black Box that allow the sellers to search through the thousands of products using filters like price range, sales volume, and review count. This helps entrepreneurs avoid risky products and focus only on items with the real potential. After choosing the product, the next important step is the keyword research. Amazon entrepreneurs use Helium10 tools like Magnet and Cerebro to find the keywords customers are typing into Amazon. This is very important because if your product does not show up in search results, you will not get sales. These tools show which keywords being trafficked to top sellers, so entrepreneurs can use those keywords in their listing and ads. The third way Helium10 helps growth is through the listing optimize or analyze. A good product still needs a strong listing. Entrepreneurs use Helium10 to write the better title, bullet points, and descriptions that match the Amazon search terms. By using the right keywords in the right places, their products become more visible. Better visibility means more click, and more clicks often lead to more sales. Another powerful use of Helium10 is tracking competitors. Amazon entrepreneurs don't ignore their competitors. They watch them closely. Helium10 allows sellers to track the competitors' prices, keyword ranking, and sales trends. If a competitor lowers their price or launches a new product, sellers can quickly see it and adjust their strategy. This helps them to stay competitive instead of reacting too late. Helium10 is also used for inventory planning. Running out of stock is one of the biggest problems on Amazon. When a product goes out of stock, rankings can drop and sales slow down. Entrepreneurs use Helium10 to estimate the sales velocity and predict how much inventory they need. This helps them to reorder the product at the right time and avoid the losing sales. Another important area is listing protection and monitoring. Some sellers face issues like listing changes, hijackers, or incorrect edit. Helium10 has alerts that notify to sellers when something changes on their listing. Entrepreneurs use this to protect their brand and fix problems quickly before they affect on sales. Many Amazon entrepreneurs also use Helium10 for profit analysis. Selling on Amazon includes many fees, and beginners often forget to calculate the real profit. Helium10 helps estimate costs like Amazon fees, shipping, and advertising. This way, entrepreneurs can clearly see which products are making money and which one are not worth to continuing. The biggest reason entrepreneurs rely on Helium10 is because it saves time and reduces the mistakes. Instead of guessing the data, instead of working blindly, they follow the clear number. This helps them to grow faster and with the less risk. Amazon entrepreneurs use Helium10 to find winning product, discover powerful keyword, optimize listing their product, track the competitors, manage inventory, protect their listing, and understand the real profit. It becomes like a business assistant that supports growth for every stage. So that's it basically. I hope now you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand how Amazon entrepreneurs use Helium10, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description to try Helium10 with any available offer that will be applied automatically by using that link. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.